Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Assemblr Edu. Before I show you my treehouse, I'm going to show you how to make one. So here you can see this is our grid and where we can place things. On the left side, do you see the cube? I'm going to click on this cube and it's going to take me to the 3D library. These are all of the things that I can use to make my treehouse. But I want to click on the fourth one that says free. Let's go ahead and click on the starter bundle so that I can make the ground floor of my treehouse. I'm going to use ground 2. And now I'm going to show you how to move things around. This is a little small, so you can see on the right side I have 3 options: move, rotate, or scale. I'm going to click scale and I can pull on this red line to make it bigger or smaller, or even flip it upside down. I want to make it this big and I'm finished, so I'm going to double tap somewhere else on the screen. You can use 1 finger to move it around or 2 fingers to pinch in or out. Now I want to make my tree, so I'm going to go back on the left side to the cube, 3D library, and I'm going to pick a tree I want to use. Let's scroll down and use Nature Landscape 1, and I'm going to choose tree number 2. Now, this tree is too small, so I need to click 1, 2, 3, scale, and make it bigger. And it's in the middle, so I need to move it. Let's go 1, 2, 3 up to move. And the green arrow will move it up or down. The red arrow will move side to side. And the blue one will move it forward or back. Let's go ahead and put my tree here. Double tap out. And the most important part, up at the very top, do you see the orange draft button? Press the floppy disk next to it to save. Make sure to save after everything you make. Let's take a look at my treehouse that I'm making. Here you can see the bottom floor. I'm making a robot garage where you can make any robot you want. I'm in the middle of making stairs up to my house. That's also a zoo. But it looks a little empty, right? You can see all the different shapes or places I've put, but let's go ahead and fix that. How about here, I have some penguins. So I'll click on one. And because I have so many different things here, it wants me to pick which one. So this is the low poly redfish. Now I can click 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And it will let me duplicate. That makes a copy. With this copy, I want it to be a baby, so I'm going to click Scale, Copy. This is the third copy I made. And click the scale so we can make it smaller. Oh, not upside down. Good, let's rotate it. There we go. Baby. And now move. Let's put it a little down so it's next to. And now I can double tap out. I made a baby for my penguins. My other zoos I'm making are the ocean. And I'm making a lake. So let's go ahead and I think we need more ducks. So just like before, I can click on it and I want to pick the duck. And then let's hit more. And the first button is duplicate. Now make sure at the top to save. And now I can keep making my tree house.